Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and before we get started, today's video is going to be on the Bargain Bee Box for July 2023. And of course I always like to show you what I've been making first, because of course I like to, help plug my things first. That's where I make money. I don't make, any money from doing videos for Bargain Bee Box. So this is what I usually make here. This is my specialty. If you've seen any of my videos, I love making the Russian spirals here. I love working with the bicones, especially I usually only work with Precosa and Swarovski bicones, crystals, and I love the 4 mil. It's my favorite. And you can get these. I have these in my Etsy shop, which is the beadedjewelstore.etsy.com. I'll put a link down there. And let me just pause here for a second and welcome you if you are new. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and give the video a thumbs up. That would greatly help me out. Of course, we always got to plug that. So these are so easy to make. If you watch my video, they're just gorgeous. I just actually made this one. So I have kits in my Etsy store also. Everything you need to make these, which is I think my most popular item in my Etsy shop. And I have some more kits here for these, if you like these. This is that serpentine spiral. It's really pretty. So I think I have one kit left to make this. Oops, there you go. It's really pretty. And then this one also. Really pretty. Okay, so that's what I've been busy doing. And just really pretty. Okay, and this is a 4 mil crystals on these also. Different kind of crystal, but still. Okay, and then what I recently been making, just finished this actually today, been working on my icicle tree ornaments. Isn't that neat? This, of course, this is a Halloween one, and I already have a video on my YouTube channel. If you want to make it. Okay, it's a little long because you do it in increments of 10, and I'm not very good at doing videos, so that's why it's a little long, but I'm actually redoing that video. Been working on it last night and today to make it shorter, so we'll see. Just a couple of more here just to show you. Here's some Christmas ones. These are so pretty. I really encourage you to make these. Once you make it, it's so quick. They're great, great gifts for teachers, your friends. I mean, they're just, you can't see how it dangles. If you can see that, but it really dangles on the tree, and all the lights from the tree reflect that. They're just gorgeous, and they're so quick to make, once you do that. So pretty. You can make any colors you want. As you can see, I'm making a Halloween one, so whatever you want. Okay, so let's get started with the Bargain Bee Box. And here it is. Oh, I don't have it lined up yet. Oh, well, let me see. Didn't they change the orders? No, they didn't. Let me see here. Oh, so they're back to just doing the numbers. Okay. So, comes in this pretty blue organza bag. And I'm just going to pull it out. Looks like it's really pretty colors. Okay, so let's read a little bit about it. Give you something to look at while I'm reading. Okay, so the Bargain Bee Box for July 2023 is the proud, well, the theme is plumage. So that gives you a hint color-wise what it's about. Okay, the proud peacock has long been considered a symbol of confidence, beauty, and luxury. This month's collection features jewel-toned hues of blue, green, to catch a rich palette with peacock and feather motifs. Highlights include lapis lazuli, chrysocolla, and deep green agate with a grade A rhinestone beads, silver tone findings, and sparkling crystal accents. And if you subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, you will get a 30% off coupon to their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, and you can enter what you make in their monthly contest. So let's get started here. Okay, all right, well, I don't have it in order, so I'm going to have to go with the number 4 here. What I got, I thought there were just going to be, I don't know. Anyway, so number 4 is a 20-piece 8mm. Get in a little closer. I wonder if I can just, it might go out of focus when I do that. Let me just get closer. These are really pretty. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. But they are a 20-piece 8mm brass grade A rhinestone AB spacers. And the AB is for Aurora Borealis, which is my favorite. So these are really pretty. I can definitely use these. Okay. Alright. And I'm just grabbing them not in order, as I said. Oh well. Number two is a 7.5-inch strand of lapis and the chrysocolla round beads. These are pretty. They're bright green and blue. Very nice. And let's see this one. It's number 6. 7.5-inch strand, 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in indigo AB. It's pretty. You can always use these. Look how pretty they look together. Seven. Love this color theme. 7 is 11-inch strand 4mm glass round beads in a rainbow iris. It's really pretty. Whoops. Three. I'm not going to open this. 3 is the 1 meter 4x3mm stainless steel curved chain. 5 is a 8-piece 10mm grade A rhinestone pave beads peacock mix. Oh, love these. Look at that. Super pretty. It's gonna look pretty together. And we have number 8, which is a 4-piece swirl chandelier findings. Oh, these are pretty. 4 of those. Okay, number 9, 100 piece. I'm not gonna take all these out. So number 9 is 100 piece 8mm filigree style steel bead caps. It's pretty. Number 10. 14.5 inch strand of 6 mil agate round beads in deep green. And these are pretty. Nice and bright. Great color theme. And let's see what we have here. Number 13. 4-piece 8x11 stainless steel laser cut feather charms. These are cute. Not a big fan of stainless steel, but because I really like the shiny silver. This isn't too bad. These are pretty. Yeah. And let's see here. 12 is a 2-piece feather toggle clasp. You never have enough toggle clasp. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. And number 1. Well, what do you know? Number 1 is a 7.5 inch strand 8 mil lapis lazuli round beads. It's pretty. Number 11. 8-inch strand, 6 mil English cut crystal round beads in indigo AB. I like the English cut. It really reflects a lot of light. Look at that. Just amazing. I need to get some more English cut beads. And this is, okay, 6 mil. I wonder if they have these in 4 mil. I got to check. Okay, 14. 14 is 8-inch strand, 10 mil crystal faceted beads, rainbow iris. Pretty. You see the green, blue, purple. I love working with these colors. Just so pretty. So 15 is a 7-inch strand of 12 crystal faceted round beads in teal with rainbow iris. Oh wow, look at that. Ooh. Yes. Love this. And it gives you the price on the number chart that they give you if you just want to buy this by itself. So this is $5.99. Pretty. And last, number 16, 33 by 20 brass and lapis lazuli peacock pendant. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh. Pretty peacock on there. Just gorgeous. See how that hangs? Hangs nice. That is a nice piece. And you can purchase this separately for $7.99. So pretty. It's the back. Just gorgeous. Nice. So, and that's it. That went pretty quickly. So here is everything again. And if you have not received your box, you will soon. Got mine really early this month. And that's it. So have fun making your design with your bargain bee box when you get it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button, please. And check out my Etsy store. The, what is it? BeadedJewelStore.etsy.com. I have so much going on. Oh my gosh. So I'm in the middle of 2 other videos also. It's just too much. So anyway, wow, look at those colors. I just love it. So that is it. I will see you in the next video, and take care everybody. I hope you have a great day and a great week. Bye bye.